Gradient fill varies the stitch spacing between dense and open fills within an object and can be used for shading effects. Gradient fill can be used with step fills. Click on the Effects icon and go to the Gradient Fill tab. Notice that it is grayed out. You have to first select the object and then also place a check mark by Gradient Fill before the icons will be highlighted. There are 4 different profiles available. The way Gradient Fill works will depend on the stitch angle. I've changed the stitch angle for all these squares to 0 degrees. Let's add Profile 1 to the first square. You can see where it's more dense at the top of the square and less dense at the bottom of the square. For the second square, we'll choose Profile 2 and apply that. This has the opposite effect: lighter density at the top, heavier density at the bottom. For the third square, we'll apply the third profile. At the top as well as the bottom, there's a denser fill, and in the middle, it's less dense. And for the fourth square, let's apply Profile 4. Notice in each case, I've had to check Gradient Fill in order to be able to apply it. Click on Apply, and here the fill is more dense in the center and less dense on the outer parts of the square. For each of the profiles, you can also change the maximum spacing. Also notice that the underlay is automatically removed, and the underlay icon is grayed out in the Effects toolbar. If I go to the Underlay tab, it has also been removed. For this second square, let's change the maximum spacing to see the effect. Use the slider bar and click on Apply. Now you can see that the square is more open. Experiment with the different profiles as well as spacing to learn more about gradient fill.